Hello and welcome to yet another video of your own channel Journey of a Banker. How are you all? I hope all of you are determined, focused and working hard towards changing your life, your careers and breaking the chain. After receiving a lot of feedback and a lot of motivation from all of you, I have also started my Instagram account. So all of you who are on Instagram, please go and search Journey of a Banker and find me there for short, quick reels and lot of knowledge worthy content. During the past few months, I received enormous questions on how being a banker you can change your life and change your career by staying in India. And this video is exclusively for those who are willing to not relocate but look for greater opportunities, better opportunities in India. So stay with me. Today we have a special guest with us from our own Telegram group. Her name is Rubia Sultana. She is a banker just like you and she works with ANZ Bank in India. I request all of you to be with me in this video till the very end so that you can understand her journey better and how she transitioned herself from a toxic work environment to a very healthy and friendly work environment. Without wasting another second, let's directly get into the interview and I'll see you after the video. Hi Rubia, how are you?
Hi Kuldeep, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also doing good. Thank you so much for your time today. And it is one of the most interesting topic that we are covering. So many people, so many members in the group are asking me what are the opportunities that they can look for in India, especially for bankers. You are working with an Australian bank in India. Uh,
Yes.
just going ahead, I just wanted to help people who are looking forward to finding a job in India. And I think that it is a good platform that you can share your experience so that they can
Yes.
also follow your footsteps and get the career break that they desperately wanting. Okay.
True.
So can you tell me a little bit about your profile and how did you manage to get it?
I'm working with ANZ Bank. I'm working as a credit assessment officer and I'm working from past 7 years with ANZ. I had posted my resume to the HR department and then the actual process started. They've called me for interview and then the technical things, and when I cleared, I've joined it.
So how has your experience been in the 7 years? But we'll come to that later. What was your previous experience?
So, as I said, this is not my first job. This
Mhm.
is my second job.
Yeah.
Previously, I had 6 years of experience in one of a leading private bank in India. Very bad experience, I would say. Yes, I have learned a lot, many things from there. But
Mhm.
yet, the culture process was so tiring and difficult when to manage your life. It was very difficult. As I was saying, yes, experience was extremely different from what I'm experiencing now in ANZ.
And
It
this
was
experience is
complete
better.
different. It's better. I feel like I'm in heaven when I compare to my previous organization, because you expect to do so much. Suppose if you're a apple tree, you're asked to grow even banana, you're asked to grow even orange, and that's so unrealistic target set every day. And the kind of humiliation they do, first of all they set unrealistic targets, and upon that they will humiliate you if you're not doing it. That
Yes.
was quite disturbing to work in such environment.
Mm.
And you feel so frustrated every time that there's no work life balance, there's no satisfaction of whatever job you're doing. And though you are liking things to do, like customer service was best, like you're dealing with people is going nice, and you're managing branch very well, there's a compliance everywhere. But even then people are not satisfied just because you're not performing in some parameter. They will pull you down in every possible way. You don't have proper lunch breaks, you are working unlimited time, and there's no specific time for you to get back to your home.
Mm.
Like your login timing is fixed, but when you are coming back, there's no
Yes, no.
surety when you are coming back,
If you can come back.
if you can come back.
Mm.
Touch wood, if there's some network issue or something has happened
Oh
in
my God.
branch, you will remain in the branch and you will keep doing things. As I said, this experience was really bad and vision was very worst with
And
me.
it
Like
reflected in your health as
it
well.
reflected in my health as well,
Mhm.
because when you are continuously in such stressful environment, you will definitely, that will impact to your health. And that was a major decision when I had to take a call to quit the job and to move forward.
Okay.
To be honest, I didn't had this job in hand when I had in mind to quit. Humiliation was to
At its
such
peak.
extent that I could
Mhm.
not take it. So that's
Mhm.
when I thought I should quit the job. And it's okay to be at home, or probably I can do something else, but not this. We've been educated. We've been
So
like do. I mean, we study so hard. We try to manage to do so much in life, not for this humiliation at least.
don't deserve it.
It's-
Don't deserve it.
don't deserve it, definitely not.
Hmm.
See, it's money is important, that's true, but apart from that, there's a dignity, the respect is I think is very
Of
important
paramount
for
importance.
any.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
obvious. So that's when I had to take a call to quit the job, but luckily I got this opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
Initially I was thinking, I don't know where am I going, because I didn't know about this culture, but when I entered, I literally felt that I have entered heaven. To be
Wow.
honest, I don't know. Probably you may feel I'm exaggerating, but this is how how I feel, because I have seen how it was before,
Mm.
and the work culture, the kind of people, it's amazing.
Amazing. That's so good to
Yes,
hear. That's so good. And the positive vibe that you're getting at your workplace shows on your face. I mean, you look stress free. It's not that you.
I am. I am.
Yeah.
See, I have a job. I do have a stress at work, but
That's,
when my work is over, I'm free.
yeah. Yeah. You're
So
not
that's what
always
I.
tied to the work. You have your personal
No,
life with you.
I have my personal work. I have my family to enjoy. And yes, ANZ has given me a lot more options. And to be frank, uh, especially in every woman's life, you feel there's a phase wherein you literally feel that family becomes a personal thing, and then profession becomes a second thing. And I have seen many women quitting their job for just uh, to take care of the family. Probably they are starting the family, and that's when women get stressed a lot. You
True.
know, that phase is very difficult. I think I'm feeling blessed to have such organization who supported me in every phase of my life, like every ups and downs. And I managed to have two kids now.
Wow.
And
That's
yes, and and yes, I'm literally feeling good. I don't feel that stress in to go through such journey. ANZ is one of a best bank for women to work with. I have practically experienced it, be it flexible timing, or giving me a part-time options when I was too much stressed, or extending my maternity leaves. It was awesome. So it
mhm.
was a very smooth journey, and I have enjoyed it.
That's so good to hear. What kind of work do you do? Is it a branch based role or it is a back office role? What ANZ is doing in India? Because we don't see ANZ branches. So I know what ANZ is doing because I'm in Australia and India. But I want to hear from you. What is the setup and where is it? Where are you based in terms of which city and what is the work like?
It's a basically a back end job.
Okay.
Like I'm working in a home loan department. I'm particularly working for a branch banking, wherein home loan applications, or whichever is submitted in the branch, will come to us. And then depending on the scenario, we have to take a call on the particular application.
Okay.
And it is based in Bangalore.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is more like you are assessing the application. You are a
Yes.
home loan assessor, I would say, or a credit
Yes. Yes.
assessor for home loans.
Credit assessor.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And is it aligned with your experience? Like when you joined the bank, were you experienced enough to take the role?
No.
No. Oh, okay.
No, not actually.
Mhm.
See, basically, the basic thing which they see is whether you are capable to understand the process which they are doing.
Yeah,
So
Australian process.
Australian process,
Mm,
yes.
mm.
So they will give you enough training to understand better how exactly it works. And upon, I mean, post training, you will they will monitor you for some time. But yes, once you start learning things, you will start doing by your own.
Because you gain experience of that organization and of the
Yes,
culture,
yes,
and you just
yes,
perfect yourself almost every day.
yes, yes, always. We
Oh,
always get uh, mm, like different scenarios every day, and it's actually it's not monotonous. It doesn't look monotonous like you're doing this
you
that,
have
but
certain
you're getting.
challenges at work and certain different scenarios to take care of, not that monotony everyday banking type.
There's no monotony as such in my profession, like my specific field. I feel every new application is a new challenge for me. Sometimes it is a normal thing which we have to pass, sometimes it is little challenging, in which we take our seniors help and we proceed further.
And your seniors are able to help you, not like they
Yes,
don't know
definitely.
anything and just
No,
based
no,
on your knowledge.
nothing like, no, no. See, as I said, there's a dignity and there's a equality in the job. There's no such boss or servant sort of
Yeah.
uh, thing here.
So you call them by their names or you call them?
Names.
Oh, okay.
See, when I say sir, they will say, no, sir. You will call me by my name.
Mhm.
And irrespective whatever position he is, he will definitely ask you to call by name. You know,
Mm.
that makes you to feel so connected with each other.
Yes.
You don't feel, oh, he's in such a big role, how can I talk. You don't have the fear to talk.
Yeah.
You can say hi, hello to your superiors, and
Mhm.
they are so cool to answer you. And it gives you a kind of confidence in you that, okay, this is how it works. And there's a, equality among whatever, irrespective of whatever you're doing. There's a equality. that
Okay.
that is the best thing about Australian bank, I would say.
And they are your supervisors are approachable all the time, and
All
they
the
give
time.
you quantified work, not load you or overload you every time, every other day.
See, I'm not saying there's no work, there's
Of course.
definitely a work, but yes, they are approachable. And if
Mm,
you say that this is something which I cannot do today, or probably this is not, I'm not able to get this done today,
yeah.
they are in a position to understand. And to be frank, we do one on one every month. My manager asks me every month, what you need, what do you want extra, and for your personal thing, tell me, if there is there any challenges which you're facing in day to day life. They will definitely ask you. I would love to go to office,
Of course, because you have such
because
a positive environment, you would love to
positive thing,
meet
I
people.
would love to go. Like, I remember days when I literally used to feel, okay, one more day, tiring day, now I'll go. Okay, this work
Mm.
is
You
going
have
to
to
be
push
hectic.
yourself.
Yeah, I literally have to push myself. But
Mhm.
now I feel happy when I go my office. I literally feel happy to go and complete my work and get back to my home. it
Well,
it feels so satisfying.
and what about the hybrid model? How many days you work from home and how many days you go to office? Is there a
um like 50 to 60% we have to be at office.
okay.
But if I'm allowed, that I will, I mean, if possible for me, I will definitely go 100% even, because there's a place wherein you can complete your work peacefully and get back to work,
Energy
get
channelizes
back to your
into
home.
workplace. Your work energy.
Yes, I my preference is always workplace, because you have all your colleagues around, and any help you need, there's an instant help. I mean, even at home you will get it, but when you sit around your colleagues, you literally feel happy,
Mhm.
and we have fun time. And every weekend there's some fun time for all the colleagues to just push that kind of stress we are dealing with.
Okay.
Though when we compare to the previous job, it is not that much, but yes.
So you talked about weekend, which is a highly debatable topic when it comes to Indian banking industry. But how is it with your workplace?
I'm working from Monday to Friday, so Saturday and Sunday off for me. S-
Okay.
Yes, it's every Saturday, Sunday is off for me. So that
And you don't
gives
get
me
called.
quantity time for my personal things.
Mm-hmm.
You can do anything on the weekends and then get back to your work on Mondays. I think that is really good. That
Okay,
gives you a lot of time for yourself.
exactly. So, any incident that you want to quote, like were you called on Saturdays and Sundays to work or to set up camps or to go for anything, any work related thing?
See, as I said, when there is a work, definitely there is a call for additional work too, but overtime pay which is being paid for you for
Oh.
your extra time.
So they value your time and your
That
skill sets all the time.
definitely they value the time.
Okay. What is your advice as you are working there? Like you, we are, all of us are from the same age group, more or less. And you working
Yes.
with ANZ, which is one of the biggest bank in Australia. What is your advice to fellow bankers who are working in Indian banks, maybe public sector or private sector? How they can make a switch, and if it is worthy for them?
Switching is not that easy,
Mm-hmm.
but yes, that's possible when you do research on that particular thing. See, if you really want to switch,
Okay.
then keep investing some time for the change which you have to.
Mm-hmm.
Keep looking for the new opportunities. Keep I mean, first you have to know where exactly you want to go,
Yeah.
and if you target that particular organization or that particular field, keep
Mm-hmm.
working on it, and that's when it works. I mean, even for me, it didn't click for a single time. That's how you work. You just keep trying online, and you can find if there is any opening, you can definitely find on the website. You can try uploading your resume, keep applying.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, don't get demotivated even if you fail for one attempt. Keep doing it, but there is a lot of opportunity outside. In MNCs, like we have in my company like ANZ, we have other companies also
Okay.
like CBA. We have other banks like JP Morgan. All such big MNCs have come to India now. You can definitely get something.
That's so good to hear that apart from ANZ, we have other opportunities as well.
Yes. Yeah.
ANZ being a Australian bank, is there any way that people who are working there in Indian setup can they also come to work with ANZ Australia if they are considered for that role for any role?
From my organization, I have seen very few who have gone from Bangalore to Melbourne and
Mhm.
working there. But yes, if you are trying like by your own, I think this experience which you have, this Australian market, and the Australian culture, I think
Mhm.
with this, I think it should be easy for one to get opportunity in Australia. So I would say, see, when you are working in Australian bank, you are aware about the culture, how it works, how it deals. I think with the people and the Australian culture, with that experience, it becomes easy for one to go and find their dream job in Australia. With your help, many people can definitely land to I can say a dream land and get their dreams fulfilled.
Thank you so much, Rubia, for your appreciation. I always try to help bankers because I was a part of Indian banking industry for a long time, and I think I owe this at least this. If I have done something different and I can share my experience and bring people, if not bring people, at least motivate them to think
True.
something more. That has
True.
been the core essence of all these social media platforms and the group that we are on. So I'll
Yes,
keep.
you are doing a great job, because even I was a part of it. I was thinking, okay, this was my experience. Whom should I say that this has happened to me? But
Hmm.
I didn't had that platform. And yes, I even now I feel, okay, how bad it was. You've been insulted for having lunch, okay, khana kha rahe ho, you're having time to eat food, but you don't have time to do insurance, you
Mm.
don't have time to do that, this. I mean, that's quite humiliating. It's a basic thing which anybody, I think it's having food is normal, right?
It's
I
human
think
need. Everybody has.
true, but they will make you,
Guilty
it
of
sounds like that
having your lunch.
you're doing some crime having
Mm.
lunch on time. That's so I mean,
It's wrong at all the
I
levels.
can't tell you.
Yeah, I understand.
I know.
You working with ANZ and you are happy there. What next? What is your future plan?
Many opportunities, ANZ. Like
Okay.
as I said, till all these while I was stuck in my personal life, having
Mhm.
kids, raising them, and their health issues, many ups and downs. But
True.
now I think I'm okay, I'm
Mm.
settled, and now it's time for me to uh, do more in my professional career. I think I would see myself in what, I mean, next 5 years, probably 2 steps more than what I am now. So there's an opportunity. There's a lot many things to learn, and there's internal job openings wherein you keep applying. If you are interested in some specific area wherein you have some experience, definitely you can apply there, and you can get opportunity to learn new things. I mean, it's a vast thing. I just can't say it's the end of my career. There's so many things. As I said, I'm just doing home lending, and
Okay.
other than this, there's a corporate lending, and you have much more to learn. It's
Okay.
it's 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 a very vast thing to know.
Like in public sector banks, you have to invest 3 years, 4 years to get the next promotion, you know. So
No,
I
no,
think
no.
ANZ, it's performance based purely.
It's performance based. I have seen many people who have come from a very basic level to a managerial level now,
Mhm.
because they are hardworking, they're talented, and it's if you're talented, if you have that, if you're showing your efficiency, I mean, your work,
Sky's the limit, I
definitely
suppose.
you are, yeah, sky's the limit for you.
Hmm. Okay. Well, thank you so much, Rubia. It was really amazing to know how good you are doing and how motivating it is for other bankers who are looking for a similar path like yourself. I can only thank you for your time and the guidance that you have provided to all the bankers around here. So, yeah, thank you.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak on your platform. And yes, I would say, please keep trying. There's always a alternate way, but only thing is you have to keep trying, and you should understand where exactly you want to take your life. It's everything in your hand. You think you are stuck, you will be stuck in that situation. But if you want to be free, you have to come out.
That's a very strong message. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you. Have a good one.
Well, thank you so much for staying till now in the video. Usually, you would hear the interviews of CEOs, managing directors, or business owners of different organizations on YouTube. But my idea is to speak from a point of view that we can understand and relate better from our banker's point of view. And that is the reason I requested Rubia to come out and share her experience so that it can benefit all of us who are looking for a change. I hope this video will give you a better understanding of how things work in India, and it will motivate you to look for better opportunities in your career right now. Another interesting transition is from a banker to a business analyst, which is a high in demand video, and I am working on it right now. So be patient, and I will surely put up a video covering all the aspects of how a business analyst works and how you can transition into this role. And I humbly request you all to please follow my Instagram account and be there for daily dose of knowledge for bankers. Please like, share, and subscribe, as it motivates me to keep making new content for all of you and help you in breaking the chain. Thank you so much. Till we meet again. Bye.